Hello, today we will start writing our animal book. We've done such a great job with research so far. Now it's time to write our book. So go to the first page where it says all about, and we'll write the word rabbits. Capital R, magic C-A, dive down B, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S. All about rabbits. Then we can draw our picture later, and you can write your name later, and we're going to save the table of contents page for another video, but go to this page where there's a picture at the top for you to draw, and we'll start chapter 1. Chapter 1 is Animal Body. Capital C, dive down H, magic C-A, dive down P, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, dive down R, chapter 1. Dot, dot. Animal body. Capital A, dive down N, dive down I, dive down M, magic C-A, dive down L. Animal body. Capital B, magic C-O, magic C-D, up like a helicopter, back down, slide, slide for the Y. Our topic sentence is going to be, rabbits have unique bodies. Capital R, magic C-A, dive down B, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T, magic C-S. Rabbits, leave a finger space, have, dive down H, magic C-A, slide, slide, hit the ball, run around the base. Rabbits have unique, dive down U, dive down N, dive down I, magic C-Q, turn the other way, dive down U, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Rabbits have unique bodies. Dive down B, magic C-O, magic C-D, up and down, slide, oops, dive down I. Let me make that I a little bit better. Dive down I, hit the ball, run around the bases, and a magic C-S. Rabbits have unique bodies, period. First, a rabbit is 11 pounds. So let's do that. First, capital F, dive down I, dive down R, magic C-S, dive down T, comma. First, a rabbit, let's do our little a, lowercase, magic C-A, leave a finger space. For rabbit, dive down R, magic C-A, dive down B, dive down B, dive down I, dive down T. First, a rabbit is, leave a finger space, dive down I, magic C-S, 11. Let me move our paper up a little bit for pounds. Dive down P, magic C-O, dive down U, dive down N, magic C-D, up like a helicopter, back down, magic C-S. First, a rabbit is 11 pounds, period. Next, they are tan and white. Capital N. Hit the ball, run around the base, slide, slide. Dive down T, comma. Next, they are tan and white. Dive down T, dive down H. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Slide, slide for the Y. They are magic CA, dive down R. Hit the ball, run around the base for the E. Leave a finger space for tan. Dive down T, magic CA, dive down N. Leave a finger space for the word and. Magic CA, dive down N, magic CD. I think for white, we'll go down here. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Dive down H, dive down I, dive down T, hit the ball, run around the base for the E. So we have, next they are tan and white. So last they have fur. Capital L, magic CA, magic CS, dive down T, comma, they, dive down T, dive down H, hit the ball, run around the base for the E, slide, slide for the Y, have, dive down H, magic CA, slide, slide, hit the ball, run around the base. Last, they have fur. Leave a finger space. Dive down F. Dive down U. Dive down R. Period. So now we're ready for our conclusion. Let's write truly rabbit bodies are special. Capital T. Dive down R. Dive down U. Dive down L. Slide, slide for the Y. Truly rabbit. Dive down R. Magic CA. Dive down B. Dive down B. Dive down I. Dive down T. Rabbit bodies. Dive down B. Magic CO. Magic CD. Up like a helicopter. Back down. Dive down I, hit the ball, run around the base, magic CS. Truly rabbit bodies are, leave a finger space, magic CA, dive down R, hit the ball, run around the base. Then special, magic CS, dive down P, hit the ball, run around the base. Magic C, dive down I, magic CA, down L. Truly, rabbit bodies are special. So that is your first chapter. Way to go. Now take your time doing this chapter. You don't have to write it all in one day. I'll see you for chapter 2 soon. Bye.